In this video, I will show you how to stop call recording on Android using simple settings. This method is quick, safe, and works on most Android phones. Open the Call app on your Android device. This is the default app used for making and receiving calls. Once the app is open, tap on the three-dot more icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to open the Call Settings page. Scroll down until you find the Call Recording or Recorded Calls option, depending on your phone model. Tap on it and go to Auto Call Recording Settings. Here you will see different options like Record All Calls, Record Unknown Numbers, or Specific Contacts. To stop recording completely, simply turn off the Auto Call Recording feature. This will disable all automatic call recordings on your device. For better privacy, always check app permissions and ensure no third-party call recording apps are enabled in the background. You can also restart your phone after changing settings to apply updates properly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more easy Android tips. See you in the next video.